Hey guys, it's Destiny Lashae. To my subscribers, thank you guys so much for coming back. You know I love you. And to the newbies, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you do not miss a video. In today's video, I am going to be testing out the new Black Opal True Color foundation sticks. These are not new, but they have come out with some new shades and they sent them to me. Back in the day, these used to be my favorite foundations, so it's really interesting that they came out with some in-between shades for me to try out. Their shade range to me when it came down to brown skin was very good, but I mean, anything could be better. So I'm going to swatch them out on my face so you guys can see them. And I also have my old Black Opal sticks so we can see how the colors compare to the ones I already have. But yeah, I'm just going to wipe my makeup off on one side so you guys can see. And I'm just using a witch hazel wipe. They sent me 3 shades, warm almond, sweet espresso, and toasted chestnut. So here are the 3 new shades that they sent me. They all look very similar. This first one is warm almond. The middle one is toasted chestnut. And the last one is espresso. I'm gonna try out warm almond first, and I'm gonna swatch all 3 of them on my face. Ooh. Oh wow, that's very golden and it matches my undertone almost perfectly. The Black Opal stick that I used to use kind of just matched me okay, but these undertones, they might have something here. So the next shade I'm going to try is toasted chestnut. This one would probably be my summer shade. Let me turn the light down a little bit. So I don't know if you guys could see. This is toasted chestnut right here. It's a little bit dark. I feel like this shade would match me perfectly. And then the next shade is sweet espresso. You can barely see them on my face too. Like this one you can barely see. This one is sweet espresso. Okay. I'm trying to see if you can see them. Yeah, I would definitely say this first one is my shade. And in the summer, I would probably be in between both of these shades. So they did a really good job when it came down to sending me the, the right shade range. So I'm just going to quickly try to blend this first one out. Yeah, that matches me. I'm trying to look. This matches me perfectly. Wow, like the undertone is spot on. Wow, that just like melted into my skin. I've never had a Black Opal stick match me this well. Wow. So I'm gonna blend out the middle shade. Like I said, this middle shade would probably work for me right now. Yeah, that one just like blended into my skin too. I'm probably technically in between both of these shades, but this one I like a lot more. And if I'm doing crazy highlight, I would probably use this shade. Blend out this last shade. Honestly, I could probably get away with every single shade on my face because I highlight and contour like crazy. Wow, I'm really impressed, like really impressed. I would definitely say I am in between these 2 right now, but I would gravitate more towards the first one, warm almond, because it's very yellow. I'm just going to show you guys how the older shades look. These are really beat up. Like this one doesn't even twist up anymore. That's how old it is. Hold on, let's see. Nope. It doesn't even twist up. This is the color Amber. And this is the color Hazelnut. So Amber and Hazelnut. This is what Amber looks like on my face. As you can see, Amber is a little bit more on the reddish orange side, and this is Hazelnut. And that's Hazelnut. So when it came down to the old shades, the colors were a lot more orangey red. But I feel like they definitely did their research when it came down to undertones this time. The new colors look so much better, and they would blend a lot better with my skin tone. Some people do have a lot of red and orange in their skin tone, so let me just blend them in so you guys can see, kind of get an idea. I'm gonna wipe my brush off. Just a little bit too orange for my liking, that's all. And this one's a little bit too dark. But overall, I feel as though the new sticks and the new colors are a lot more neutral yellow tones that would fit a lot more people than the red tones that they had before, especially in my shade range. So if you do want to pick these up, I will have the link to everything in the description box. I look a hot mess because one side of my face is not done and the other side is done, but whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick swatch video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you're not subscribed, please do it. We would love to have you in our family, and I will see you guys in the next video.